Hello, my name is Marcia. I'm going to explain about our design of our classroom. First, I would like to share with you our recent studies how show that students can benefit from a well-designed classroom. This is something important because they are going to enjoy their time in the class. If we have a good design, they are going to want to be in the classroom as soon as possible. First, I would like to share with you about the design of the door. It is a big door. Why? Because especially if we are going to work with kids or with teenagers, they are going to get well, and they are going to want to enter in groups. And also here we have some windows, and we have a natural line here in order that we are going to have the opportunity to have a natural lines in the classroom. And we have a board, and over here outside, this is outside our classroom. And then we are going to see inside the classroom. As you can see here, the door, we have here the students lockers that they are going to have opportunity to put all the things that they have. And also we have some hangers in order that they are going to put their backpack or something that they need. And also we have some posters here. This is a decoration, the curtains, the connectors. This is something important, the connectors, because especially because we have here computers. If it's not going to work because they need battery or to charge that, we are going to have here. Well, as you can see here, we have tables instead of desks. Why? Because the tables is going to promote the collaborative work, and also they are going to have the opportunity and also to work alone or together, to have their own space and work in their way. And also we integrate technology. It is important because transform the classroom. We have to have this. It is necessary not only the resources like lessons or some books, but it's also important to have technological like resources. For example, here they are going to work with the different tools that we are going to project in this markboard. We are, for example, if we see some class about the history of UK, we are going to send some link in order that they are going to work on that. This is going to be something fun for them. It's not like the traditional education, that also we are going to integrate different resources in our lessons. We have the clock in order that we are going to manage the time. We have teacher's bookcase to have a different materials in order the teacher is going to be able to have some resources or some tools here, like a scissors, markers or something. We have a file here, the teacher's file, in order to have some paper, some material, the worksheets to give to the students We have some speakers here because this is important, especially with listening activities. Maybe if we want to create something in group, we are going to have that. Or basically if they have their own like a headsets, if we want to work, if they are going to work alone. We have the teacher's desk here, the waste basket here, and also in order to put all the things that is not going to work, the computer's teacher, and also we have a printer here. This is something important because as a teacher we did these things because we have like different materials that we have to give to our students, and also we have a lamp here, and teacher has something here like some materials, the curtains. This is the UPS. This is in order to share all the signal here. We have the modem here, and also we have as a backup, we have a projector in order if the smart board is not going to work, we are going to project something in the wall. And also here that I just mentioned about that. And basically this is our and also we have some air condition, 2 air conditions, in order that it is not going to be hot in this classroom. And basically this is the classroom. And also, as you can see here, we have some space. We can move the tables if we have some activities or something, because when the classroom has flexibility or space, students will be able to make choices and they can experiment some things to make different activities. This is our classroom. Thank you very much.